Hey guys, today I have these super cool Snowflake French tip nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails with this nice blue. This is OPI's Chopsticks and Stones. So for this design, I'm using my Moyu London Festive 47 plate and this stamping guide from Born Pretty store. So what you do is you apply polish to the image that you want like normal, and then scrape, and then quickly before the polish dries you place the guide over the stamping image, and then just stamped it quickly, and there you go. This does take a bit of practice to get used to, and then I just stamped it straight on my nail and applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these festive French tip nails. I think these are so cool. These stamping guides are really cool. It's more of a different way to go with stamping, which I think is pretty cool, especially if you've got longer nails. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!